come here, you will want to come to a place called Gate of Heaven. Yes, that is the most famous place in Bali, made by Instagrammers and all. Okay, and also credit goes to the local photographers and all that. Okay, this is about 80 kilometers from where the airport and 24 kilometers from where I stay. And one of the YouTubers that I know in India said that 2 days is enough for me to cover Bali. And he's not travel out of India, and he's telling me that 2 days he can finish Bali. So this is my 11th day that I'm staying, and there's so much to see just in proper Bali itself. Okay, and he said that he mentioned this place. This place is very good to go, and how much he knows about it, how much he learned about it, I have no clue about it. I've come here. Okay, I will tell you my honest opinion. After seeing this, you yourself will be able to be position to understand to come or not to come. How hard it will be for you to come to this place is one aspect. Second thing is you have to pay 50,000 Indonesian rupees to get into this bus to get to the place. It's about 2.5 kilometers. It's really uphill. It's a great challenge for you. If you can walk up on the way down, they will drop you. That's not a problem as such. Okay, you'll have to pay 70,000 Indonesian rupees to actually get in to see that. What is there, what is not there, I have no clue about it. But I've seen a photograph. I mean, it looked beautiful. It's like heaven itself. That's what it is. I've come to the place and I just have to walk 100 meters. You can hire a bike to walk, to cover the distance for 10,000 Indonesian rupees. Rupiah. They'll give you a sarong. You have to wear it, for the mark of respect and all that. Just walk up. It's a steep climb, but it's enjoyable. 100 meters, if you can't do it, what the hell? Climb up, and here we entered. As soon as we entered, my heart sank. As soon as I entered, my heart sank. Because the gate of heaven, you will see it in a second. The gate of heaven, my turn. If I have to take a photograph, it's going to be 3 hours later. Because that is the gate of heaven for you. That's the gate of him. The weather right now, it's gloomy. It was raining. Till the time that I stepped in, you can see it on the floor as such. My turn after 3 hours. The people who have got that turn, they waited 3 hours. Okay, I decided I don't want to be here. You know why? I felt it is like a fake. You see people going in, and this guy, the cameraman, actually does a trick. Okay, he keeps shouting next. That means you get short period of time for you to take your own snap. Snap in the sense you can't take your own photo. He will take the photo. He's sitting there. Do you see that? One guy only. He'll dictate terms for you, and then you can give as many poses as you want. What they will do is, can you see that there is a passage in front, to walk and all that. You will not see that in the photographs, because what he will do is, under his lenses, he will keep a camera, which will be a reflection of what you're standing. It'll be upside down. So it'll look like really heaven. That is why people come. After coming, they get disappointed. But they will not want to share the disappointment. They will say it in a happy way, so that you also go. That's what they will do. That you should also go. You should also suffer. This is what they will do to you. They won't tell you the truth. If that is what it is, if camera tricks are going to be done, see, all this walking up is going to be erased. It's going to be erased. So that's something I really don't want to. And you know what? Everybody who comes here are so bothered about taking photographs. They're not even standing there to admire the view behind. They're not even seeing. None of them. I stood for half an hour just to see. I wanted to see the people's mentality and all that. For photograph to look nice and all that. Who are you proving? I asked myself. I was just asking myself, who are you proving? What are you trying to do? That's not fair to your friends, colleagues and all that. But so whoever trusts me, whoever knows me, for them this it is. So it is a camera trick. If that is a camera trick, you're going to use it. The lens, the camera, the mirror that you're going to use it. Anywhere, in any kind of a monument, if you use it, it'll even look beautiful as such. Okay, so if that is what it is going to be, so be it. If that is what you want to do, to come here, okay, be your guest, not my guest as such. So I've given you my honest opinion. I had known about this, I would not have come. I would have definitely not. Until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive.